The Milky Way galaxy is our home galaxy, and in this video we will be exploring some aspects of the Milky Way. There are more than 100 billion galaxies in the known universe, but the Milky Way galaxy is special for us, as it is the home for our solar system and for us. And it is from the position of the Milky Way that we look into this incredibly vast universe. As the inhabitants of this galaxy, we are all part of the grand cosmic dance that takes place within it. So let's discover some of the important aspects of the Milky Way. Number 1. The size and shape of the Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, and dust that spans approximately 100,000 light-years across, which is the diameter of the Milky Way. In terms of its size, the Milky Way is considered a relatively large galaxy. It's a beautiful, spiral-shaped galaxy with arms that extend out from a central bar. These arms are made up of gas and dust, which serve as the raw materials for the formation of new stars. It contains billions of stars, including our own Sun, and is home to countless other celestial bodies such as planets, moons, and asteroids. Number 2. The age of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is estimated to be about 13.6 billion years old. This makes Milky Way one of the oldest galaxies in the universe. Number 3. Number of stars in the Milky Way. The Milky Way is estimated to contain over 100 billion to 200 billion stars. However, some estimates also suggest that this number could be as high as 400 billion. Number 4. The place of Milky Way in the universe. Despite its relative massive size, the Milky Way is just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. The observable universe is estimated to contain over 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets. The Milky Way is just one very little piece of this vast and awe-inspiring cosmos. So, our Milky Way, which contains of 100 to 400 billion massive stars like our Sun, is just one of the galaxies out of over 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Number 5. Our place within the Milky Way. In terms of our place within the Milky Way, the solar system is located in the Orion arm of the Milky Way. This distance is about 27,000 light-years away from the center of the galaxy. This location within the galaxy has played a crucial role in shaping the evolution of life on Earth, including our understanding of the cosmos itself. The Milky Way is a highly dynamic environment, with stars and gas clouds constantly moving and interacting with one another. This environment has influenced the formation and evolution of our solar system and the distribution of its planets. Number 6. The local group of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is part of a larger structure called the local group, which is a collection of over 50 galaxies that are gravitationally bound to each other. The local group is just one of many galaxy groups and clusters that make up the large-scale structure of the universe. Andromeda is another well-known galaxy which is a part of this local group. Number 7. The origin of the name, the Milky Way. The name Milky Way is believed to have originated from the ancient Greek and Roman mythologies. In these mythologies, the Milky Way was associated with the goddess Hera, the wife of Zeus. According to the myth, Hera was the queen of the gods and she sprayed milk across the night sky, creating the band of light that we now call the Milky Way. So, while the origins of the name, Milky Way, may be rooted in mythology, the term has been used for centuries to describe the band of light that stretches across our night sky and represents our home galaxy. In other cultures of the world also, the Milky Way finds mention. For example, in Chinese culture it's called the Silver River, in Indian culture it's called the Akashganga, and in African culture, it is called the backbone of the night. Number 8. Milky Way and the ancient philosophers. The term, Milky Way, was also used in the writings of ancient Greek astronomers, including Hipparchus and Ptolemy. They used the term galaxias kyklos, which translates to Milky Circle, to describe the hazy band of light that stretched across the night sky. Number 9. Constellations in the Milky Way. A constellation is a group of stars that form recognizable patterns in the night sky, and many of them have been named and studied by astronomers for centuries. Some famous constellations in the Milky Way include Orion constellation, Ursa Major, and Cassiopeia. Number 10. Home to many celestial bodies. Like every other galaxy, the Milky Way is also home to some of the most fascinating celestial objects, such as black holes and neutron stars and many stunning and colorful nebulae. The nebulae are clouds of gas and dust that glow brightly due to the ionization of the gas by nearby stars. They are often the birthplaces of new stars and can provide valuable insight into the processes of star formation and evolution. Some well-known nebulae in the Milky Way include the Eagle Nebula, the Orion Nebula, and the Carina Nebula. Number 11. The Milky Way. It's constantly changing. A galaxy is never static but is constantly changing. And our Milky Way, like any another galaxy, is no exception. Stars are born, stars die, and explode in supernovae, while galaxies collide and merge to form new ones. Overall, the Milky Way is a vast and endlessly fascinating subject that contains a wealth of information about the universe and our place within it. By studying its various features and phenomena, we can gain a deeper understanding of the cosmos and our own cosmic origins. As inhabitants of this galaxy, we are witnesses to this cosmic phenomenon, and we have the opportunity to know more about it by studying and exploring it. What are your thoughts on the Milky Way? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.